Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Doreen and welcome to today's video. So guys, this is the morning after hosting the visitors. So the sinks is dirty, everywhere is dirty, basically dirty. So this is Sunday morning, and before anything else, before breakfast, I need to start cleaning up the house. The floor is super dirty, and I need to put everything in place, yeah, so that the house can be organized. Yeah, so guys, I want to tag you along so that I can do this, guys, in less than 30 minutes. But the house is super dirty, from the sitting area, kitchen, everywhere, you guys. It's dirty and disorganized. Yeah, so guys, let's do this together, and let's organize the house and let's put the house in its place. Okay, yeah, so in case you're new here, karibu sana, and thank you so much for joining the family. I do really appreciate you guys. And yeah, so guys, the first thing, I'm going to wash the dishes, and then after cleaning the dishes, I'm going to wash the floors of the house and all that. We have dirty sufurias. As you saw yesterday, we were using the 3-stone fire, so you can imagine the soot in the sufurias. So definitely we are not going to wash the sufurias in the sinks. I'm going to do it outside. I'm going to get the help of my friend Jebet. Thank you so much, Mama, for always being here to give me a hand, where I do really appreciate. So yeah, so I'm going to wash the plates and the serving dishes and those things which can be washed in the sinks. For the sufurias, I'm going to tag you outside so that we can scrub them. Hey, your girl is going to do that scrubbing of the sufurias. Cooking was easy, but now when it comes to the part of washing the soot, oh my goodness, it's something else. But you know what? Your girl got you. We gotta do this. Okay, guys? Yeah, so let's do this.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.
Finally, I'm done with the dishes. I've already washed the services. I've scrubbed the sinks, and as you can see, they really look clean. The dishes are on the rack. They are clean as well. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take hot water, and before, I had already made some fire outside with my 3-stone, you guys, and the water is ready. I'm going to use hot water to clean the floors of the house because they are definitely dirty, you guys. Yeah, we ended up getting to the house with shoes and all that. That's okay. So I'm going to use this powder soap, that's Sunlight. It's going to help me scrub and mop the house. Yeah, so guys, let's continue doing this. After mixing my water with powder soap, I'm going ahead and start mopping from the kitchen, you guys. So guys, let me tell you something. It ended up being a struggle for me, like, to bend and mop. I think it's because of my height, because I was training my back so much, so I ended up kneeling down to do the work because we have to look for an option, you guys. But let me tell you the truth, yeah, I ended up not mopping the whole house because it was a struggle. And my friend here was like, yo, you can't do this anymore. It was hectic, you guys. So guys, when I reached at this point, my friend started mopping the other parts of the house. And yeah, so I didn't manage to clean the whole house because I could have ended up taking like ages to clean the whole house. Yeah, so thank you so much, Jebet, for giving a hand once more. I do really appreciate you.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong already. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow.
So guys, after the cleaning of the dishes, the mopping of the house, the organizing of the house, I'm going to let you see what we did and how we organized the house and how we put it in its place. So guys, stay tuned so that you can see the outcome, and we are also going for the hard task outside, whereby the scrubbing of the sufurias is going to take place. But before that, you guys see what happened in told you earlier yesterday we were cooking using the 3-stone fire, so definitely the sufurias or the cooking pots have a lot of soot, and I need to clean them, like to be like I have to remove the soot, like I have to leave the sufurias on their respective shapes. Yeah, so here I am scrubbing those sufurias, and I'm going to ensure that every suit is going to come out. So as you can see, that's the first sufuria I am holding and I am scrubbing, and as you can see, the suit is coming out. Yeah, so guys, enjoy the music as I continue to enjoy my scrubbing, and then I'm going to show you after, like how they are going to shine. Okay guys, so yeah, enjoy the music.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know.
So guys, after cleaning, after scrubbing the sufurias, I'm here preparing some tea for our breakfast, and with me I'm left with some bananas which were left yesterday, and I have some neighbors here, you guys. In the morning when we woke up, they were so nice to us, greeting us. This is the first time we're meeting them, and we really bonded so well. But then that's not the main reason, because we're going to have some breakfast, and they're in the garden doing their thing. They're doing an amazing job. So as we enjoy our breakfast, we were like, let's just give them some bananas so that they can also enjoy as they continue doing their work, you guys. So guys, here I am taking the bananas, and guess what? I just found out that these people, my neighbors, are from my hometown where I'm born. Now see, you see, if I was so mean to them, if they were too mean to me in the morning when we woke up, imagine what could have happened. Yeah, so guys, that's basically it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you can join my family and you get notified whenever I get to upload a new video. And if possible, please share me out. Until next time, bye.